installed. Got the pole already mounted up there. I hadn't aimed it yet, but it's in the general direction. Let's see if it actually lined up good enough to work. Get me connection. Then I can loosen it up and fine tune it. I'm aiming it. Let it boot up while I leave the drill here, because I'll probably have to loosen it up and aim it. Leave the cutters, because I got the zip tie, the wire. And I programmed the radio and all the CPE and the router and all for this site. And lo and behold, I left it right in the studio, so I'm grabbing another one and just reprogram it. Sometimes things just don't go as planned, but that's the way it goes. Always have extra CPEs and routers, so just in case I need one. So let's see, get the laptop, see what we're going to have to do to reprogram it for this location. Should be able to just change the ID of it and drop it into a different account. Should be that easy. At least I'm thinking that's all it should be. I mean, it'll work like it is because it's pointing at the same AP. It's just a different location of the CPE. But let's see what it takes to get that to move. I hadn't had the CPE installed 15 minutes and the bird's already loving it. Yeah. Alright, looks like we got a air cube that was right out of the box. Not any good because I couldn't get the Wi-Fi to work. I reset it to factory and still no good, and it just kept getting worse. I was able to plug into it at first and get internet, but now I plug into port 2 or 3 and it never gave me internet. So I'm going to just change it out to another one and see if I can get access that way. This one I got programmed for another location. It should still work with no issue. It's just going to show up a different Wi-Fi. So we're going to give it a shot and see what happens. If I can get access to it. And also when I logged into the air cube, the one that's messing up, the main page said it had no internet, even though I was wirelessly logged into it and be able to get to UISP, but nothing else. It's like something was blocked. I don't know why, but then Wi-Fi just disappeared. So we're going to see if this one actually works. It wouldn't like do YouTube, it just gives me UISP. So we're going to open up YouTube and see if it does the difference as it is. Right to YouTube, no problem. So that, apparently that air cube, or yeah, the air cube is bad. Take it and see what I can do when I get back to the studio. But I'm going to reprogram this one with the right credentials and drop it into their account, and we should be ready to go. Never had one like this before. Well, looks like so far that it's It was the air cube, because everything's working like it should. Be able to change the subscriber. I had to use somebody else's that I'm supposed to install this afternoon, which I'm not going to be able to until I go back and get another one. So, but it's working. I can play YouTube. So everything is working. Everything is working like it's supposed to. Now I need to go take the CPE and log into it so I can actually, I don't think it shows up because I told it to remove it from UISP. So I'm going to have to log into it to get it connected to UISP, because I don't think I have it in there anymore. Nope, it's just the air cube showing up, because I don't think it's going to say need to adopt. But I got everything in her account ready to go. I'm going to activate her account again, since I had to delete it. I thought that was the issue. It seems like it was hung up in her account. The more I tested it, moved the equipment to an open account that I have, it still didn't work. So that told me it wasn't an account. It's something to do with hardware. It seems like everything's working now. Let's see. Yep. Alright. Everything seems to be working there. Let's go get the CPE connected to her account. Alright, let's go check this one. Finally got that one done, but still the CPE is not in the UISP. Whenever it's connected to an AP, I see no way to really log into it, because it won't show up in UISP and you can't log into it as 192.168.1.20. So we're going to have to get this one turned around where it's supposed to be. It's been turned. So we're going to have to see if we can loosen this up and get it to turn and do something to make it stay tight. So it looks like 5/16. Put a double strap on it instead of just a wrap around. I told them it's probably going to turn because it holds it up, but it don't really snug it. So we're going to turn it, line it up back where it's supposed to be, and we'll put a good strap on it like this that pulls on both sides. So let's get this done. Alright, let's see what we can do to get this to turn. Get it to turn the direction it's supposed to be.
Did we figure out what was wrong with it?
Oh yeah, it's just wrong direction.
Oh, okay.
The wind or something took it.
Yeah,
I'm gonna put another bracket on it that actually, instead of strapping on one side and just hugs it, I'm gonna put one that actually straps on both sides.
Okay.
A little bit of reinforcement.
Okay. Well, that would be the problem then.
Okay, that'll strap it up there. You see that? That's actually gonna be really pulling it tight when I put this in there. Pull it, snug it nice and tight. Oop. That'll keep it from going anywhere. Let's see what we got. We got 60 and 56. That's a lot better than 82 and dropping out. So we should be good now. Alright, that's it for now. See you in the next video.